see all of you guys.
Hi, Olay.
What I want to show you today is how to make Ukrainian Easter eggs.
Yay!
They're called Pysanky.
Pysanky.
Can you all say that?
Pysanky.
That's perfect. You guys did a perfect job. Pysanky is from the root of the word pisate. So when we make these Easter eggs, we say that we are writing Easter eggs. Our little tool that we use is called a Pysanky. And I have been making these since I was 4 years old. I learned how to make them with my father, and then we had Ukrainian school every Saturday. So during Easter time, we would always learn to make more and more complicated designs. So, and I'm Ukrainian, as if you all haven't guessed by now. All of the eggs are just laden with symbolism. From something as simple as the little dots that we might put or the little open circles on the eggs, they would be symbolic of the Virgin Mary's tears. So the nets on the eggs, it's a very Christian symbolism. It would be Christ as the fisher of men, but that's like present day symbols. In the past, way before Ukraine was Christian, these would have been pagan eggs, and they would have been, fertility symbols and a symbol of rebirth in the spring. So the colors that we use today, that you saw us use today, which were yellow, orange, red, black with a little splash of green, these are chemical dyes that we use today, but they're reminiscent of the dyes that would have been used back when people made them out of things like beets, beet skins, onion skins, and colors from nature. So we have a more vivid palette, but it's a palette reminiscent of those old colors. People do today make pink eggs and purple eggs and blue eggs, but the kind of more traditional palette is the one I mentioned. I always enjoy teaching this, and I've been lately teaching this to adults. So having a kids class was a lot of fun because, you just get to see what's important to them and how they approach basically, a design problem. Kids' attention span is completely different than it used to be. And using your hands to actually create something that takes 2 hours, let's say, in the case of this egg, is maybe harder for them to do than it would have been in years past. And I think it's the whole kind of the way that we focus now and the way that we concentrate and the way that, I have to say it, the way that we have technology that gives us things very rapidly and quickly. So something like this, you have to calm down, you have to clear your mind, and you have to just trust that there's a process that's going to yield some interesting results. But I think overall, they kind of got into the process. And I think in the end, when they saw the colors come out, when they removed the wax, I think that's always an enjoyable kind of, magical moment. For me anyway, still at this point. But it's like anything, if you focus and if you follow directions, you come out with a good item, a good product in the end. So.